Hi there, students. To pull in. To pull in. Okay, let's see. When I hear this phrasal verb, I think I'm driving along the road and I'm tired, so I decide to pull in, to pull to the side of the road. Okay, a car pulled into the lay-by to drive up to a place to come to a stop. Okay, so could you pull in at the next service station because I really need to pee? Notice the car pulls in. Or maybe if you're waiting somewhere, you're waiting for a train or you're waiting for a bus, the bus pulled into the station. The train is pulling in, it's coming in. Yeah, so the car pulls in either from the point of view of the car or from the point of view of somebody standing watching it. I guess you could pull somebody in for questioning. The police pulled in a few suspects to see if they could find out what was happening. And I guess as well to pull in to earn money. The company pulled in nearly 3 million euros this year. Okay, so to pull in to earn money. Okay, let's see. But for me, firstly, to pull into the side, into the side of the road. Yeah, to come to a stop. So in the US, if you see, there are normally these long drags where you can pull in to the different businesses. Yeah, to pull in at the side of the road, a rest stop, somewhere where you can stop. Okay, I think something could pull in audiences or pull in a shopper. So the film failed to pull in the audience that was expected. We've got somebody famous to open this this business, and that should pull in the crowds. Okay, it should pull in an audience. We've lowered our prices, and there are lots of things on sale, and that should pull in the shoppers. Yeah, and like that the business can pull in a lot of extra money. Yeah, okay, so that's going to pull people in. The police pull you in, they arrest you, or they bring you in for questioning. So the police pulled in dozens of demonstrators. Yeah, he pulled in at the curb. Yeah, he parked. He went to the side of the road. Okay, yeah, the political party pulled in 40% of the vote to get hold of, to take, yeah, to pull in. You pull in at your destination. So if a vehicle pulls in, it stops there to pull in at the side of the road. The car pulled in and waited. I hope the police aren't going to pull you in as a suspect. Yeah, how much do you pull in your job? How much do you earn? Yeah, how much do you take in? How much do you get? So to pull in, to attract. Madonna singing will pull in the crowds, yeah, but behave, otherwise you'll get pulled in by the police. Yeah, if you get tired while driving, then you should pull in. So let's look at these. Okay, the vehicle pulled in. For informality. Use informally in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, just about. The train is pulling in. 4.5 informality. The police pulled in some suspects. 4 informality. The company pulled in a lot of money. 4 informality. Okay, and well, the origin is very clear because you're pulling in, yeah? I guess to pull into the side of the road, to move. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To pull in.